What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? I want to make a video real quick that just illustrates my sincere appreciation and gratitude and just thanks to all of y'all. This is Saturday. We're going to launch Keto Bricks tomorrow, so Sunday. Probably going to launch around 10 a.m. Central Standard Time tomorrow, and this is going to be our last launch of 2018. And that got me thinking, and I started reflecting on all that we've accomplished this year in 2018. I mean, if you think about it, Keto Brick wasn't even a product. I mean, it was just like an idea in the back of my mind that I was using for myself personally. Kind of, I made it for myself for my competition prep videos that y'all have seen from way back when. So it's just crazy how far we've come. So I want this video to kind of be a little montage of, you know, some of the history, some of the old footage that kind of illustrates some of the aha moments, some of the big pivotal moments in the Keto Brick history. I mean, we started out with me, you know, thinking of using it for a competition prep strategy in the first place and having it as a macro, you know, meal replacement bar then, and it wasn't even like 1,000 calories, and it was like 600 something. So here's a clip of that. All right, just got done getting my touch-up coat. I did in between the prejudging and the finals, I went home, rinsed off the tan, and then I got that touched up. Got another layer put on. Probably about an hour to an hour and a half before I step on stage. So I'm gonna eat another Keto Brick. Again, 600 calories, 60 grams of fat, 12 grams of protein, and 3 grams carbs. So that's something to fill up. I'm pretty hungry right now, so it's gonna be good. I'm excited to eat this. So catch you in a little bit. And then after that, we got so much feedback of people wanting to see it, wanting to have it, wanting the recipe, wanting to try it, telling us to, like, you know, you ought to make these into a product so we can, you know, use them as well. So we did. We started learning. We started learning about, you know, food preparation. You know, started talking with health inspectors, what all we had to do to make a viable food business. We started making these in our kitchen, kind of testing different you know, ratios of meals, of ingredients and whatnot. Found one that we liked, and then we started to scale up. We rented this commercial kitchen space in Little Rock that was 3 hours away from us where we were living at the time. So we would travel 3 hours and make a bunch of these bricks at this kitchen space that we were leasing hourly. Had my cousins come help, had my friends come and help, had my brother come and help, and it was just cool. So I'm gonna put some of that footage in here right now. What is going on, everybody? This is the maiden voyage of Crystal's and mine. First excursion into making the bricks on a large scale. Behind me we have all the ingredients, we have all the packaging, we got packaging table, we got all the stuff we need. We're about to load this up, head to our commercial kitchen space, and make some bricks. What is going on, everybody? We are in Little Rock at our commercial kitchen space here. We have all of our storage behind us, all of our utensils behind us, and then we come in here to the main room. We're about to make some keto bricks, by the way, in case you hadn't figured it out. But coming into the main room, we got some seating behind us for any kind of, I don't know, demonstrations. And then we have all of our ovens, our work tables, all of our dishwashing. Like, this thing is a beast. This place is a beast. We're gonna knock some stuff out. We're gonna make some bricks. First production run of Keto Bricks in the works right now. Keto Brick production has commenced. Yeah, buddy. All right, y'all. It is, what time is it?
12:50 a.m.
All right, y'all. It is 12:50 a.m. We've been in here making bricks since 9:30 yesterday night, and we're still gonna have several more hours to go. We got production mode going on. We got bricks in the making. We're both super tired. We still have to package these things, heat seal them, so it's gonna be a long night ahead of us. Alright, y'all, we're gonna be making 200 bricks today. Crystal and I are making all these by hand ourselves, small batch to the max. this is what they look like. And yeah, so since we're making them ourselves, 200 at a time, you know, it's gonna be small batch, so like if they sell out, just bear with us. We haven't like figured out how to scale this up yet, so just be patient. We'll take care of you and just give us some time. But these bricks are the bomb. Alright, so now that we've got a bunch of bricks, we're gonna move it right down the assembly line, wrap them in tin foil, put an armband on there, and then heat seal them. Alright, y'all, it is currently 5:30 in the morning. I woke up at 4 a.m. yesterday morning. It's been a long day.
I woke up at 5:30 yesterday morning.
Yeah, so we've both been awake 24 hours straight, but we've made a bunch of bricks. And we're very tired, but we got a lot done. We're excited about this. So let us know what you think. Hopefully you like them. And we're gonna get these bagged up and we're gonna go to sleep. So we'll catch y'all later. Check this out. Let me show you what we got going on with the bricks after they've been manufactured. We gotta do the packaging. You wanna show us what we got going on here?
Well, we have a whole roll of labels.
Okay.
Take off one label, line it up on there, press down on one side, fold it over, press down the other side, and then we have our gun here.
Gun, you fully loaded?
Mm-hmm, fully loaded. Boom. All done, ready to
Wait,
go.
show me the gun, show me the sticker. Alright, that is the date of production, March 8, 2018. And then from there, what do we do?
And then we will be putting them in these packages.
If you order a single.
If you order a single, we'll put them in these packages. Put your
Stamp or the mailing
on the front.
label on there, shipping label.
Seal it, send it off.
Yeah, buddy. Alright, y'all, so here we are packaging up some bricks. And we got a lot of them coming here. Ain't nothing like having a bunch of bricks in your living room. Who needs furniture when you got keto bricks? You know what I'm saying? And then we did that for like several months. We would commute back and forth. We'd travel from Fayetteville to Little Rock, make bricks all night long, drive back up to Fayetteville. It was just total chaos, like zero sleep. It was just crazy. And we did that multiple times. We did it a month. After a month. And we did it again several times. And now, fast forward to where we are now, and we have our own facility. Like we were gonna scale up in that shared leased commercial kitchen space, but it wasn't making much sense because we didn't have our own space. So just totally out of happenstance, we found this place that we're in now. That's now the Keto Savage compound. We have you know, two warehouse buildings. One is our offices, our recording studio. The other half of that building is going to be our gym that we're building out now. And the whole other building is the commercial kitchen space. And y'all have seen a bunch of that footage just in the day-to-day vlogs, but I'm going to go ahead and throw another clip of that in right here. So again, y'all have seen most of this. We got our ingredients here, and then we have all of our packaging supplies here. So yeah, packaging supplies, ingredients. We have our another bathroom there, washer and dryer, sink, and then new addition of the commercial dishwasher. So excited about that. This all kind of looks crazy right now because we're doing a whole bunch of reconstruction. Whiteboard, calendar.
None of that is ours.
Yeah, none of this is ours.
We hate it all. We hate it all.
Megan, you've been on the vlog before, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, everybody knows
Zoom
Megan.
in on her face.
And then if you come in here, we have our clean room, our production room. Normally I have a hairnet on right now, but I'm not cooking. So we got all of our batched ingredients. And again, this is like a war zone right now.
Yeah.
Batched ingredients, we're melting the cacao butter over there, mixing it in the mixer. Kyle's working on the mixer. We got the elf depositing here. We deposit into the trays, and then we heat seal the trays. Actually, before I do that, we come over here to our walk-in freezer, and you can see all of the freezing and all the finished bricks. And that's what we have going. And this is Kyle's first day. Again, Kyle, one of the requirements for working here is you got to be cool on camera. So say something cool on camera.
Something cool on camera.
Man,
Too easy. Too easy.
And that brings us to our current day and age, and it's just, I think like as a businessman, as an entrepreneur, as a bodybuilder, as somebody that just wants to work and be the best they can be and hustle and grind and find the right way of doing things and just give it my all, it's easy for me to think of where I'm at and want to be farther along than I am and want to do things more efficiently and better for y'all. But then I think back on how far we've come. I mean, we launched Keto Brick like out of our kitchen, our home personal kitchen up in Fayetteville in March of this year. So March of this year, 2018. And now it's December of 2018. So it hadn't even been a full year in the lifespan of Keto Brick as a company. And I look back on all that and it's just awesome. And we could not have come close to doing this without y'all. So huge thanks to you. I mean, yeah, like you are the reason we're successful. And I say that in so many videos, you'll probably get tired of hearing me say it, but it's so freaking true. Like, we are nothing without you. I mean, we were able to donate all those bricks to the disaster relief funds. We're able to build this business. We have employees now. Rather than Crystal and I, making all the bricks all night long, working like 15, 16, 17, 18-hour shifts all night long, and then driving back to Fayetteville, we've got like a team of 7 people that we're, building a life with. And like, they'll go make bricks all day long. We'll be out there working, talking, whatnot. Then after they get done working, they'll walk across the street to this building, and then they'll train with us. I mean, we'll have like last night, we were all 3 out there. There was the 3 guys, me, and Crystal. We were out there training together. I mean, how cool is that? Like, we have like this family that we're building. To when we do the launch tomorrow, after the launch, we're gonna have like this big cookout with the whole crew. So we try to do that every launch. We're gonna have like this Christmas themed cookout now. It's just, I don't know, it's just cool. It's just so cool that I feel like we should go out there and say hi to everybody. Let's do it. Batched ingredients. We got Kayla, Megan, Crystal. Yeah. Real quick, let me show y'all what we got in here. These are all the bricks. These are all the bricks that we're launching tomorrow. So we have more bricks on hand. It's super noisy in here. We have more bricks on hand than we've ever had before, so I'm super excited about that. Everybody that wants a brick should be able to get a brick, and most of our crew right now has already left for the day, but
so.
The girls are here. Megan and Kayla and Crystal. Where you at, Crystal? Come here. But we just want to say thanks because y'all made this possible. We launched the bricks in March. It's now December. We've come so far. We couldn't do it without everybody that's helped us make the bricks. I mean, Kayla has been here since the beginning almost. Isn't that right?
Look at that hairnet.
It's basically covering my bell now.
But I mean, it's just like we look at how far we've come, and we obviously want to keep, you know, moving the needle, going farther, getting better year after year. But we're blessed. We're so very thankful for all of y'all and all you've done to help us grow this business, and we want to be the best we can for you. Isn't that right?
Yes.
You happy?
Very happy.
We love you. Merry Christmas. Get a brick. Get a brick for Christmas. They make great stocking stuffers.
That's true. They would make great stocking stuffers.
So until next year, until 2019, which will be a year full of all kinds of other advancements. So I've got some stuff in the pipeline. Get ready for that. But for 2018, we just wanted to round out this video and say thank you for all you've done. We love you, and we'll see you soon.